What's up, you guys? I'm in the Laurel right now. Please bear with me. This will be one of my longest videos. I went to an insane car meet, and I really want to show you guys a lot of the highlights of it. So here we go. 7:30 in the morning on a Sunday. Getting ready to hit the Laurel to cars and coffee. There we go. Look at her. She's all wet. Made it. The fuck? Holy shit. This is what I came here for. Holy fuck. Yes.
Press the brakes.
Oh. Oh. Look at that. Keep walking through. And then we walk outside to the back meet.
Are we doing 90 volts this year at some point?
Let's go, S14. This thing is fucking sick. One of the cleanest Teslas I've ever fucking seen. Holy shit. I love seeing motor swapping these vehicles. Oh, you don't see these often. S13 fucking Verts. Yes. Yes. Love Verts. Fucking shit. One of the cleanest Z's I've ever seen. Lord have mercy. The snail. Got my Laurel and a fucking Honda truck. This makes me so happy. Hope you liked the video. Stick along for more. Peace.